Jiaoyang, expert of Chinese rebar wire mesh welding field. Founded in 1988, Jiaoyang Group is an entity enterprises specialized in research and development, production and trade. With years of operational practice and precise mastery of professional skills, Jiaoyang, with fierce competition, manages to become one of the most outstanding manufacturers in the rebar wire mesh welding field in China. Through years of marketing involvement, Jiaoyang has currently developed its subordinates, including Hebei Jiaoyang Wire Mesh Machine Company Limited, Hebei YHSJ Light Steel Construction Company Limited, and Hebei Light Steel Processing Company Limited. It has covered three industries: reinforcement wire welding equipment, light steel structure system, fabric reinforcement processing and distribution. Jiaoyang, taking the revitalization of national industries and the responsibility to make great progress along with the wire mesh welding industry of China in the new century. The exquisite technology to win a better tomorrow. Jiaoyang has always been leading the wire mesh welding technology to conducting design and research and development continuously. Jiaoyang focuses on making perfection of each product as artistic works to strive for the best, which has earned a good reputation in the industry. Jiaoyang owns a professional research and development team, as well as CNC professional processing devices, which can ensure the accuracy of processed products and help to realize optimal operation of the whole production line. The web-feed production line, imported by Hebei YHSJ Light Steel Construction, has fully combined the three major advantages of saving material, saving energy, and environmental protection, which will lead to the big development of the steel construction industry in China. The fabric reinforcement is produced by automatic intelligent production line, which is imported with the international high-end wire mesh welding technical. The fabric reinforcement produced by Tinde can reach the national standard having applied in buildings, traffic, and water conservancy. Jiaoyang has been approved by the ISO 9001 Quality Management System Certification, EU CE Certificate, SGS Factory Certificate, and Safety Production Standardization now, and it has successfully joined the Reinforcement Mesh branch of Chinese Steel Structure Association with the possession of 32 national patents. To lead the development of wire mesh welding equipment industry, to develop the company into a national top-ranking and internationally well-known wire mesh welding machine industry, it is our eternal mission. In 2013, the automatic wire mesh welding machine developed by Jiaoyang is the initial creation domestically as well as a pioneer worldwide, and it has further consolidated the pioneering status for Jiaoyang in the wire mesh welding industry. Comprehend from the foreign development situation, more and more countries have been improving the use of weave web beam component technology enable adoption and promotion of this advanced technology. Responding to the policy of mode transformation and structure adjustment positively, Jiaoyang has filled the blank of weave web steel structure in China. Fabric reinforcement processing and distribution is the trend in the world. The fabric reinforcement produced by Tinde Company can meet the demands of many building fields, which can further promote application of fabric reinforcement. Today, based on the operational concept of customer first, sustainable innovation, integrity, and responsibility, Jiaoyang is committed to promoting the products nationwide. In the globalization period, we communicate with the world with our top manufacturing technology and export products to over 60 countries and regions in Southeast Asia, Middle East, Europe, Africa, and America, with the reception of much good reputation in various fields. Looking forward to the future, Jiaoyang will always lead the wire mesh welding technology industry and build an excellent development plan of creating high-end products. Line layer station built on the basis of a base. Thousands of miles of journey starts from a current step. Jiaoyang is dedicated to starting from outstanding follower, developing into a powerful challenger, and finally becoming a leader in the industry, which is a ladder for Jiaoyang to surpass itself, each rivals, and achieve the dream. Jiaoyang, as an emerging force in the reinforcement field, will always insist on self-innovation and take the industrial responsibility for the country, thereby fulfilling the dream and achieving the progress for China's reinforcement industry in the new century. Jiaoyang, with a global vision to be trustworthy